Good morning. Here in Casa Santa Ana, in the beautiful Pelican Eyes, phase 2, in San Juan del Sur. So 2 bedrooms on 2 levels, option to be convertible in 4 bedrooms, because there is 2 other rooms independent on the bottom level of the house. So large living room, open, with salon, TV, dining tables of 6 persons. All the furnitures are included, and the large bar, kitchen, American fridge. Kitchen comes with oven, 6 stove working with gas, all the microwave, toasters, coffee machine, and water dispenser. An American fridge, 2 doors, and like a storage. So very open ceiling. With large windows, all the wood frame, and they have a mosquito net. So you are never too hot inside, you feel like very comfortable. So the first bathroom, it's a complete bathroom, all like the ceramic style of Pelican Eyes. I think it was built in 2009, this one. So complete cabinet, ceramic zinc, black wood cabinets. So we see all the upper part of this villa. We go down on 1 level, and here we have the entrance, the main entrance, I will say, but there is 2 entrances to the house. So owner here installed code electronic door, so it gives a code to the guest. It doesn't have to move, so it's very useful for the check-in to rent your place like this. Second entrance here on the right, 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms on this bottom floor. So storage room with laundry. The master room has access to the terrace, the bottom terrace. So a small desk to work. Bathroom there. First closet here. And the long deep bathroom, green ceramic and white. With a large walk-in closet, very large walk-in closet. And here the shower that has the bench, ceramic bench, makes like a hammam style. Compared to other houses I've seen in Pelican Eyes, all the wood and the ceramic has been very well maintained there, and it doesn't need to have any more investments, I think. So it's ready to run, and it's a turnkey house. It means that all the furniture, so all what we see in the video is included in the sale. So it looks to me that the first level was about 1,000 square feet, and the bottom could be like 850 square feet. So a total of 1,850 square feet, more or less. So you have air conditioning in each bedrooms. Also air conditioning in the living room, kitchen area. Going to see now the second bedroom with 2 queen beds. So the other was 1 master bed. Also AC, air conditioning, ceiling fans. The ceiling is like made with a brick. Also a walk-in closet. So this one has a small fridge, coffee machine, was like a, could be an independent rentals. People get access from the balcony and you close the door. So it's yeah, I would say a very competitive rental unit in the sense that you could have a 4 bedrooms house. The 2 other bedrooms, I'm sorry, we have no the video of it. They are on the bottom of this floor, and they are independent, getting from outside. Has no bathroom, but option for like larger family. It's just putting adding bed to it and some furniture, and the rooms are ready. 2 rooms are half of it more. So there is the same size of this room add to the house on the bottom of it. So you see here access to the balcony. We will see the balcony later on the video. We come back on the main terrace, the upstairs terrace. I was looking north, now west, looking the bay, looking the statue Jesus Christ of San Juan del Sur, which is one of the biggest in the world actually. I think it's like 18 meters the statue. So the bottom balcony, you have the 2 bedrooms there. We can go all around the property at this floor. Also with ocean view. Casa Santa Rosa, so we go here and we have like 2 parking lots that are on my left. And there is 2 access walking here. I took the one there, who goes to the bottom floor. The second one, 20 meters later, go to the upper floor. Here, so I arrived to get into the 2 bedrooms. So we can get by here or on my right. And here is where I go. So there is another storage room just here. And I get to the house. Here I'm on the upper part of the house. No, bottom, sorry. So the first bedrooms, the 3 level we see 1 door here on the left, on the bottom. So could be here the any things you want, worker room, a desk, also another just like a bedroom. So there's no bathrooms, but it could be built. And going here, you see the second room. So option to convert, opening, putting windows on each one and opening. Here we arrive where the bedrooms are. And we go to have a look again to the downstairs terrace. Okay, hope you like the video. Contact us on BVN or Real Estate. See you.